Hey guys, it's Brooke from Vintage Grower. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm planting up the white section, which is the last section in the color wheel. So let me turn the camera around so I can show you what I've got done. Okay, so here we are. So this morning I planted, let's see, some white echinacea. I planted 2 tree peonies. One's over here and one's down there. I had a yarrow that I got after the flower show that I hadn't placed yet. I placed 2 hibiscus. I grew those from seeds using the winter sowing method on either side. They only get about 3 feet tall. And then these little green flowers, these little pops, those are mums. Those are mums that I got from the garden of the New Jersey State Chrysanthemum Society. I did have a mum that I got from Bluestone Perennial, which is right there. It's French vanilla. So it's going to be like cream and white. Okay, so then when I came to other plants, I went down to Pope's Garden Center. And so I got 6 phlox. So I'm going to put those somewhere in here. Because they don't get that tall, so probably maybe in the corners, like over here and maybe over there. And then I got, these are called Japanese Aster, I believe. Let me look at it. Yeah, it's Genghis Aster. And so, oh, does that say 4 foot? Oh, that says 4 foot. Okay, so which means I need to move that bad boy back. Yeah, I guess I should have read the tag on that. See, this is how problems happen, because I forget to read the tags on things, and yeah, that could have gotten out of hand. So I have some Shirley Temple peonies right there, and quite frankly, let me see how big these get. They get 32 to 3 feet, so you know what? I might put the asters in the back and then put the peonies here. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do, just to make, because they're shorter. And then I do have some Cafe Creme Foxglove, not a lot. I'm going to have to restart some more. And I have some Shasta Daisies that I'm going to put in here. I did put Yarrow at the back. Some people call it Yarrow. I call it Yarrow. I tried to find the ones that were white. Some of these start out pastel and then fade to white. Like, for example, there's one called Appleblossom. It starts out light pink and then fades to white. So a lot of this stuff is going to get really big. As a matter of fact, the tree peonies, they grow really slow, but they're going to get kind of big. And so I did start some polar bear zinnia that I'm going to fill in just for this year while everything is getting established. And then I'm sure you guys can see that there's grass back here. I'm going to pull as much out as I can by hand, but then I'm going to show you how I smother grass. I guess it's a modification of the no-dig method. I use newspaper, but I'll show you how, because it works really well. So there's the pooch over there. He was like upset because I left him over there. Hi, Bumper Snoot. Yeah, we see you. We see you. And that little pose he does with the little front paws in the air is his begging pose. So once I get these planted, oh, you know what? I do have some Malva Moschata white seedlings, but I'm going to wait until after I put the mulch down because they're really tiny. So I'm trying to get all the stuff planted and in and mulched tonight because I have somebody coming over who's doing a garden tour tomorrow. He's one of the members of the Horticultural Society that I'm part of, the Hardy Plant Society. And so I just want to get the outside edge done, you know, because I've been working on this all summer and it would be nice to see part of this project completed. So I'm going to set up the camera, and I'm just gonna, I gotta find my drill, my auger, and then I'm just gonna knock it out, y'all. Gonna knock it out. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so everything is planted, I've watered it in, and so I need to mulch, but before I do, I need to go get the newspaper, that packing newspaper that I'm using, and I need to empty my Gorilla cart. I found a company to do my mowing for me, so I had to move all of my plants out of the location, so I have to empty this cart. I'm going to put all the plants that I have yet to be planted in this section so I can easily water them because they're all in one spot. And then I'm going to go start on the mulch. And we'll see how much I get done tonight because I need to clean up all the empty pots that are out here. And actually, I need to deal with the dog. He's like really angry with me because he's 20 feet away from me. You know, I mean, he's been out here watching me. I don't get him. I don't understand it. But I do need to bring the trash can around and that sort of thing. So I'm losing light, so I'm not going to show you guys putting the mulch down because, quite frankly, I'm sure you guys have seen mulch down before. But this section probably has the most perennials in it, so I'm really happy about that. And actually, no, let me get the newspaper and then I'll show you how I do that. Okay guys, so this is what I'm using. This is packing newspaper. You can get it at Lowe's. It's by Blue Hawk. It comes in big packs of 120 sheets. I put like 5 sheets together and then I layer it on the ground. So as you can see at the back of the bed, there's some grass. The nice thing is that, you know, when you have plants, you can actually tear it around the plant so that you can just like tear it around the plant. So what I'm going to do is tear it around the yarrow, and actually I'll do a couple and then I'll show you what it looks like, because I can't do this and hold the camera. I need to get a GoPro, people. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like when it's down. Right now it's not windy, thankfully, but if it was windy, I usually hose it down with water to get it to stay in place. And actually I will wet it down. But the nice thing about it is that if you want to plant something, you can actually use your auger to drill through it. I do my fall planting, like if I put bulbs in, I can layer this right over top of the bed. Like I said, 5 sheets, and with the winter, you know, water, it does soften it so that enough that the tulip bulbs can push straight through it. So it's really great. It does a really good job of keeping the grass down. I used to use it all the time at my last property. The other thing is that it does really impact the soil. It changes it over. It makes it really nice. The earthworms love it. So anyway guys, I'm losing the light, so I'm going to finish this and try to get some mulching done, and I'll come back tomorrow and show you what it all looks like.